What's up, YouTube? This is Why Not Save here for another review. Today we're going to be reviewing the new GE dishwasher. I didn't see many reviews online about this particular model, but it's a best-selling model during the holiday season. See here, in the front is very clean. It says it light in the front. This is where you select the cycle. Normally it's best just to use auto sense. You can set the delay, bottle jet, steam, dry boost, boost wash temperature, wash zones, and there's your start button. The inside actually is quite larger than my previous Bosch model that I had. Let's going to test it here, some dirtier dishes, and it does have the third rack. A little tray there in the center. Utensil tray. This is where you would load your detergent tablet. Just pop it in there. This is the rinse aid. You just pull this up and fill it up. If this is silver, it means it's empty. So you fill that up all the way there. Here are some good quality dishwasher tablets that I'd recommend. They work really well. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Also leave a link in the description for a good rinse aid. That works well as well. Okay, so basically to start it up, just click the start button. It'll start up like this, auto sense. I'm going to try out the dry boost this time, so normal. It does add a little time to the timer. All right. Also, the trick is you need to close it within 3 seconds hitting the start button. There you go. The orange light means that it's started, and later on it will turn white when it's finished washing. Okay, and here's a demonstration of what it sounds like while it's running. You notice it's very quiet. You mostly just hear the water splashing around inside. Okay, now it's finished. See by the white light there. Ooh. It looks very clean inside, very hot and steamy. Look at that, they're all nice and dry and clean. Another feature I forgot to point out earlier is there are jets for the glasses in this model. And in order to activate the jets, you would have to turn on the bottle jet function up here. Okay. All these dishes turn out great. Now, something a lot of people forget to do is there is a filter at the bottom of these. It's important to clean these out like once a month or so. You twist off the bottom to remove the inside part, and then you just rinse them out. There is a dishwasher cleaner. I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can do that about every 3 to 6 months. And you would do the cleaner first, and then you'd clean this out afterwards. And it should be enough maintenance to keep your dishwasher running nice and smoothly. There's a function also on the sides here. You push the tab, and it would allow you to lower the second rack slightly or raise it back up. This is a good feature if you have any large dishes that you can't fit in there, at the normal level. One last thing I would like to point out. I did try this before with a oily, greasy pan inside, and this was the result afterwards. It's supposed to be a dishwasher safe in Japan, but as you can see here, it took off a lot of the coating. There's a lot of rust inside. I normally don't clean oily dishes inside dishwashers, and this was a little bit rusted out before I tried to clean it, but this definitely made it a lot worse, and now this pan's basically useless. So just something to keep in mind if you try to wash non-stick pans in this. There might be an issue. Thank you. Okay, well, thanks for viewing. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.